This is really difficult. Changing these permanent link tips just makes me want to tear my hair out.
Yeah, looks like you've been doing that for a while already. Change those tips for much longer, you end up looking like Vin Diesel.
Yeah, with the muscles. Still, this is pretty frustrating.
I feel ya. Now, if you don't get it just right, you have to replace the whole adapter.
Oh, yeah, tell me about it.
Yeah, like I don't have that problem now. With Trend's VisiLINQ permanent link adapter, it's just one screw. Pop it off, put another on, screw it in, you're golden. Good for another 2,500 tests.
That sounds so easy.
It is.
I wish mine did that. Oh no! Ah! Now I gotta replace the whole thing.
I'm gonna go.
Wish yours did that? Time to go blue.